Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to be talking about lesser known skincare and hair care hacks which are going to take your whole game to the new level. As the weather cools down, the air is going to get drier, which is definitely going to take a toll on my skin and my hair as well. So in this season, a humidifier is going to be your best friend. It adds the moisture back into the air, which is thereby going to make your skin and hair feel hydrated, and it will prevent that annoying dryness. I have also noticed less frizz in my hair, so you can keep it in your bedroom wherever you sleep, and it is really gonna make a huge difference to the health of your hair and your skin as well. If you're someone like me who has struggled to find the right period care solution, then you're gonna be loving this. So this is Mahina's period panty. It is India's first bonded period underwear that provide leak-proof protection up to 12 hours. I have been using it for a while now, and honestly it's a complete game changer for my period care routine. Just look at how absorbent it is. This panty can handle even a heavy flow day, and you do not have to stress about leaks or discomfort. Unlike regular pads, it offers this unmatched ease of movement, and it's very comfortable to wear.
Since I have a slightly heavy flow, they handle my flow without any leaks or discomfort. On day 2 of my periods, which is usually my craziest day, I wore this panty for almost 10 to 11 hours without needing to change it. Even when I wore it while sleeping, I did not have to worry about leaks. Now, isn't that amazing?
Another amazing fact about this Mahina's period panty is they are very durable, so you can use it up to 100 washes. So no more waste from disposable pads, no more discomfort, and so much more confidence knowing that I'm protected. Next one is always make sure the last rinse of your hair is of cold water, because when you use warm water, it opens up the cuticles, and pouring in the cold water closes them back, which thereby helps in making the frizz go away, and also it adds in the shine to the hair. It is such a simple trick, but it really makes a huge difference. Now let's go back to the skincare hack again, and this is something I really swear by. In winters, we are all gonna have cracked heels, so apply a generous amount of aloe vera gel on your heels, put on some cotton socks, and go to sleep. In the morning, your heels are gonna feel so much softer and smoother. Next hack is gonna be using lip balm for your cuticles. Now when you're on the go and your cuticles feels dry and very worn out, dab a bit of your lip balm and you're gonna be good to go. It is a really quick fix to keep them moisturized. Now here is gonna be a secret skincare hack, and that is gonna be applying honey on the face. Now honey is a natural humectant, so as soon as you apply a thin layer on your face, it is going to fetch the moisture from the air and will keep your skin properly hydrated. And the best part is it does not even clog your pores. So I apply it and leave it there for good 10 to 15 minutes, and then I rinse it out. It is going to make my skin beautiful all throughout the winters, and also especially in this dry autumn season. So these were my lesser known skincare and hair care hacks, which are very handy to me, especially in this season. And I cannot stress enough how much Mahina period panties have made my period experience so much better. So I will make sure that I leave the product link in the description box below. Just go and check it out, and believe me, you're not going to be disappointed at all. Thank you for so much watching. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments down below which hack did you like the most, and I'll see you guys in another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.